daylight time. This watch includes the following counties in Texas: Allen, Dallas, Denton, Ellis, Hunt, Kaufman, Rockwall, and Tarrant. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Alright guys, so as you just saw, the Council of Etons have decided our fate for today, and they put us under a moderate just for us. And there's already considerable SVR close to Wichita Falls here for about, I don't know, the 4th or 5th day in a row. So yeah, I'm going to do a quick little setup tour. I haven't done one of these in forever. Another interesting thing about today is my car has to be parked outside. There's no room in our garage. So I might have to do a little bit of evacuating. So that could be interesting. I haven't had to do that in years. And oh, these two didn't go off. It's a little bit odd. But yeah, this is what I'm rocking with for spring. This is the setup. Hope everyone enjoys Dallas Dismemberment today.